Hello everyone. How are you dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Again, it's time for maths lecture. So students, let us begin. In our last lecture, we started exercise 3.4 and we done word problems. Today, we are going to start a new topic, that is estimation and subtraction. Today, we are going to start a new topic. Estimation. You are familiar about estimation, but the only difference here is today we are going to do estimation in subtraction. Earlier we had done estimation in addition. Okay, so today we are going to do estimation in subtraction. So the whole process will remain same. First of all, we will round off the given numbers. Firstly, we will round off the given numbers. Then we will subtract. Earlier we were adding, but now we will subtract. Okay. So let's take an example. Suppose two numbers are there. The example is given on your book, page number 51. So you all can read the question from there. See, two numbers are there, 73 and 37. See, these two numbers are there. So first of all, we will round off these two numbers. Then the process will be same of rounding off which we had done in our last chapter. The only difference is here we will do subtraction. In last chapter we had done addition. Okay, so you all know when we round off 73, this 3 is lesser than 4, so we round down. This 3 is lesser than 4, so we will round down. This 73 will become 70. You all know the rounding off process. If you forget, then you can rewatch those videos of rounding off. Okay, if you forget how to round off, you can rewatch those videos of chapter number 2 of rounding off. Okay, so now 37. Again, we need to round off this 37. See, this 7 is higher than 5. This 7 is higher than 5. It means we will round up. So this 37 will become 40. This 73 after rounding down will become 70, and this 37 after rounding up will become 40. Okay. Now, for estimated subtraction or estimated difference. Now after this rounding off, we will do estimated difference. When we subtract this rounded off result, then we will get the estimated difference. And if we subtract this given numbers, then we will get the actual difference, because these numbers are actual, and when we subtract these numbers, the actual given numbers, then we will get the actual difference. And if we subtract this rounded off numbers, then we will get the estimated difference. So what are the numbers? 70 after rounding off 73 and 40 after rounding off 37. Okay, so now 0 minus 0. First of all, we always start, I hope now you all know, we always start from our rightmost position. This is our right, and ones place is the rightmost position. So we will subtract ones from ones first. So 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 4. All of you open 7 fingers. Yes, open 7 fingers. Now minus 4. Minus 4 is there. away 4 fingers. Open 7 fingers. Minus 4 is there, so take away 4 fingers. Now how many fingers are left? 3 fingers are left, so it means we will write the number 3. Now we had found out the estimated difference. Now it's turn for actual difference. For finding out the actual difference, we will subtract the actual numbers. For finding out estimated difference, we used rounded off numbers. Now it's turn for actual difference. In actual difference, we will take the actual numbers. Okay, so what were the actual numbers? 73 and 37. So 73 minus 37. One more thing, no need to note it down this in copy. No need to note down this in copy. This is for your explanation only. Now again, we will start from the ones place. Ones minus ones. So 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is there. So can we remove 7 from 3? Can we remove 7 from 3? Yes or no? No, because 7 is bigger number and we always subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So we have to make this 3 bigger. So we'll borrow a 10 from this 7. This 7 will become 6 and this 3 will become 13 after borrowing process. Now 13 minus 7. Now can we remove 7 from 13? Yes, now we can remove because now 7 is the smaller number. Okay. So all of you count 13 finger marks. Count 13 finger marks. Now count 7 times backward. Now count 7 times backward. First of all, count 13 finger marks and now count 7 times backward. Now count the remaining finger marks. Now count the remaining finger marks. How many finger marks are left? Very good. 6 finger marks are left. So we will write the number 6. Okay. Now we are done with ones column. Moving towards tens column. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is there. So all of you open 6 fingers or count 6 fingers. Now minus 3 is there. So you had counted 6 fingers. Now take away 3 fingers from those 6 fingers. How many fingers are left now? 3 fingers. So we will write the number 3. Okay. So our estimated difference is 30 and the actual difference is 36. Okay. So again, let me explain one more time. Whatever the number will be given by the question, first of all, we will round off those numbers. We will round off those numbers, then we will find the estimated and actual difference. If we subtract the actual numbers given by the question, then we get the actual difference. And if we subtract the rounded off numbers, then we get the estimated difference. Okay. Now, I hope you all are understood the procedure of estimation and subtraction. So let's do some exercise questions. No need to note this down in your notebook. Okay, so exercise 3.4 we were doing. We had done 1, 2, 3 and 4 questions in last lecture. In our last lecture, we had done 4 questions of the same exercise. Now question number 5. All of you note down question with me. What is the question? Find the actual and estimated difference. Find the actual and estimated difference. question number 1, that is part A. 91 minus 38. 91 minus 38. All of you now stop writing. First understand and then write. I will give you time to write. Okay, so stop writing. See, this is our question. Two numbers are there, 91 and 38. 91 minus 38 is there. So, first of all, we will round off these two numbers. Okay. So, first of all, we will round off 91. This 91, 1 is lesser than 4, 1 is lesser than 4 or smaller than 4. So, we will round down. So, this 91 will become 90. Okay. Now, the next number is 38. We will round off these two. After rounding off, 38 will become 40 because this ones place is having 8 and 8 is higher than or greater than 5. So, we will round up. So, this 38 will become 40. Now, we will find the actual difference and the estimated difference. So, let's write actual difference and here estimated difference. Okay. Now, for finding actual difference, we will take the actual numbers. What are they? 91 and 38. So, do not forget to write the places, tens and ones. Now, we will write tens below tens and ones below ones. Okay. So, 91 minus 38. See, ones below ones and tens below tens. Okay. Now, let's subtract 1 minus 8. Can we remove 8 from 1? Yes or no? No, we cannot remove. Why? Because 8 is the bigger number and we always subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So, for making this one bigger, the borrowing process we will do. This 9 will become 8 and this one will become 11. And if you forgot the method of borrowing or subtraction with regrouping, you can rewatch those videos if you forgot how to subtract with regrouping. Okay, so 18 minus 8. Sorry, 11 minus 8. Can we remove 8 now? Yes, now we can remove. So all of you count 11 finger marks. Count 11 finger marks. Okay. Now minus 8 is there. So count 8 times backward. Count 8 times backward. Now count the remaining finger marks. How many left? Very good. 3 finger marks are left. So we will write the number 3. Okay. Now moving towards tens column, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. All of you open 8 fingers. Open 8 fingers. Now minus 3 is there. So take away 3 fingers from those 8. Open 8 fingers. The minus 3 is there. So take away or close 3 fingers. How many left? Very good. 5 fingers. So we will write the number 5. So 91 minus 38 is equals to 53. This is our actual difference. Now let's find estimated difference. For finding estimated difference, again we will write the places, tens and ones. For finding the estimated difference, we will take the rounded off numbers. Okay. So what are they? They are 90 and 40. So 90 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. So we will write the number 0. Okay. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. All of you open 9 fingers. All of you open 9 fingers. Yes. Minus 4 is there. So take away 4 fingers from those 9 fingers. Okay. So 9 minus 4 is equals to, very good, 5. So we will write the number 5. Now 90 minus 40 is equals to 50. So this is our estimated difference. Now we will write the answer. Do you remember, students, when making lines, do use of scale or ruler? I am doing it by running hand, but you have to use scale or ruler. Okay. Now it's turn for writing the answer. So let's write. The question is asking us to find estimated difference and actual difference. So we had found out. Now we will write. We will write actual differences what is our actual difference? 53. So we will write 53. Actual difference is 53 and now we will write about estimated difference. And estimated difference is estimated difference is 50. Okay. So this is how we are done with the question. Okay. All of you now note down this question with solution. First of all, we rounded off both the numbers. Then with the actual numbers we found out actual difference, and with the rounded off numbers we found the estimated difference. And then in the answer we wrote both the things, estimated difference and actual difference. Note it down quickly. Now I hope you all have noted down. If not, then you can take the screenshot and write later, or you can pause the video and write. Okay. Now moving towards part B. All of you read part B. I am rubbing the board till then you read the next question, that is part B. Part D, that is 85 minus 75. 85 minus 75. Now all of you stop writing. First of all, understand the process and then write. 85 minus 75. So the very first step is writing or finding the rounded off numbers. So first of all, we will round off this 85. So whenever 5 or greater than 5 number is there, we round up. Okay. So here number 5 is there. So we will round up 85 to 90. Now the next number is 75. Again the round off process. Now again at ones place 5 is there, and whenever we see the number 5 or greater than 5, we round up. So we will round it up to 80. Now we had rounded up both the numbers. Now we will find the actual and estimated difference. So let's write actual difference and estimated difference. For finding actual difference, let's write both the places, that is tens and ones. Now, for finding actual difference, we will take the actual numbers. Actual numbers given by the question. What are those? 85 and 75. So let's write 85 minus 75. We remember ones below ones and tens below tens. Ones below ones and tens below tens. Okay. So we always start from the rightmost position. Let's start. That is ones position. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. Remember subtraction property. Whenever a number is subtracted from itself, the result will be, or the difference will be 0. So 5 minus 5 will be 0. Now moving towards tens place. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7. All of you count 8 fingers or open 8 fingers. Now minus 7 is there, so count 7 times backward or remove 7 fingers from those 8. Now count the remaining finger. How many finger left? Only one finger. Okay, so we will write the number 1. See, 10. We got the difference 10. This is our actual difference. 85 minus 75 is equals to 10. Now moving towards estimated difference. For finding out the estimated difference, we will take the estimated numbers, that is rounded off numbers. Okay. So again 2 digit number is there, so we will write tens and ones. 2 places 90 and 80. So 90 minus 80. Again we will write ones below ones and tens below tens. Ones below ones and tens below tens. Starting from the ones place, let's start 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is equals to, very good, 0. So we will write the number 0. Now 9 minus 8. All of you open 9 fingers. Open 9 fingers. Now minus 8 is there. So count 8 times backward or take away or remove 8 fingers from the 9 fingers. 9 minus 8. So now count the remaining finger. How many fingers are left? Only one finger. Very good. So we will write the number 1. So 90 minus 80 is equal to 10. So now we had found out actual and estimated both the differences. Now while making these lines, we remember make it with the scale or ruler. Okay students, now we had found out actual and estimated difference. Now it's time to write the answer. We had solved whole question. Now it's time to write the answer. So see, our actual and estimated both the differences are 10. So we will write actual and estimated difference is 10. Okay, actual and estimated difference is 10. So with this question, with this writing of answer, we are done with this question. Okay, so all of you note it down. Note it down quickly. See, for two numbers were given there, 85 and 75. First of all, we rounded off both the numbers. We rounded off 85 to 90 and we rounded off 75 to 80. Now, we need to find actual and estimated difference. So, for finding actual difference, we subtracted actual numbers or the given numbers. And for finding out estimated difference, we subtracted the rounded off numbers. So, at last, we wrote the answer as actual and estimated difference, whatever we got. Okay, students? Note it down quickly. And if you forgot how to round off, you can rewatch those videos of chapter number 2 in which we had learned the rounding off process. We had learned how to round off. If any of you have forgot, then you can learn from those videos. Okay, students? And if you learn, if you want to clear your concept, then also you can watch again. And if you forget the subtraction procedure, then also you can watch the subtraction videos. Okay, students, so this is all for today's lecture. In next lecture, we will continue the question number 5. We will do the remaining questions in next lecture. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. Bye bye students.